If you want to enhance, remove watermark and objects from your photos, this video is for you. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and in this video, I want to tell you about the best websites you can use to edit your photos. The first website on our list is Cutout Pro. In this website, you can remove unwanted objects from your image, remove background from a photo or a video. You can also some other tools for generating AI arts from text, adding the background with text, enhancing your low-quality photos and videos, animating your photo, colorizing your photos, turning your photo into a cartoon selfie, making passport photo, blurring your background of an image, and so much more. The possible things you can work out in this website are almost endless. I admit that I always use this website almost all the time. To get into this website, simply type cutout.pro in your search bar. Then when you get onto their home page, you can see a lot of function tools you can play with. Here I'll go with removing objects from a photo. Click Upload Image, and choose your photo from your device. Here I choose a Taylor Swift photo, and what I'm going to do is I will remove the stars from this image. Simply click your mouse and drag along the things you want to remove from the image. When you release your mouse, it will start operating, and boom, you will get your photo with the stars removed. Click Done, and you will see the difference. To download your photo, you'll need to sign up for an account. I'll go with my Gmail. And once you create your account, you will get 5 free credits. If you want to download the full HD quality image, you'll need to spend a credit. But if you just choose to download in normal, you don't need to. When you go to the pricing tab, you'll see how you will need to spend your credits to download your images in different type of functions, and also how to buy credits. In summary, Cutout.pro is a functional tool which has a lot of features to help you boost your productivity and get your work done really fast. Next on our list is Restore Photos. This website uses to enhance your low-quality pixelated photos and old damaged photos. Simply go to the website restorephotos.io, and once you get there, click Restore Your Photos. Then, you will need to sign in with your Google account. Then you will be able to enhance 5 photos every day. Once you have generated 5 photos, you can come back to the website another day and generate another 5 photos. For me, this is a very useful website even though I can only make up to 5 photos as I do not need many photos to enhance every day. And as you can see, there is a much better enhancement in the result photo. The quality is just so fantastic. Once you get your photo, you can either upload another photo or download the restored photo. The last website I want to share with you is Watermark Remover. As in the name, you can use it to remove any type of watermarks, logo, and text. To get there, go to watermarkremover.io, and at their homepage, you can see what type of watermark they can remove from your photo. To use it, click Upload Image and choose your photo, then you will get your image with the watermark removed in a short time. You can clearly see the watermark is gone. You can download your image to your device. Oh, the best part is that it's free and you don't even need to sign up for an account. All 3 of these websites are easy to use and can help you enhance, edit, and remove things from your photos quickly and efficiently. While each website has its own unique features, they all share the benefit of saving you time and effort compared to manual photo editing. Try using these websites from now, and let us know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And if you're interested in similar videos, make sure to check out this video here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.